In this question, you're asked to prove that these 4 points form a parallelogram. That is, these 4 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now, how can we prove that 4 points form a parallelogram using the concept of slopes? So, if a quadrilateral has to be a parallelogram, then the pair of opposite sides have to be parallel to each other. If I can prove that AB is parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, so if I can prove that these two are parallel and these two are parallel, obviously this forms a parallelogram. Now, how do I prove that two lines are parallel? If their slopes are equal. So let us find the slope of AB. So slope of AB is 5 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. 5 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. That is 3. And what is the slope of CD? Slope of CD is 3 minus 0 divided by 5 minus 4, which is equal to 3 again. That is, slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. This implies AB parallel to CD. Next, let us take these two. What is the slope of AD? So the slope of AD is 2 minus 0 by 1 minus 4. 2 minus 0 by 1 minus 4. That is equal to 2 by minus 3, which is same as minus 2 by 3. And what is the slope of BC? Slope of BC is nothing but again y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 5 by 5 minus 2. Again minus 2 by 3. This implies AD is also parallel to BC. This implies ABCD is a parallelogram. Thank you.